Class 4 IMO Level 2. Mathematics question number 1. How many of the following figures in the given cloud are closed? Closed figure means that the starting point and the ending point of a figure are same. So as we can see in the first one, it is a closed figure. Second one, the starting point and ending point are not the same. So it is not a closed figure. Third one, yes, it is a closed figure. Fourth one, no. Fifth one, no. Sixth one, no. And seventh one, yes. Eighth one also, yes. So total number of figures that are closed are 4. Mathematics question number 2. Find the value of book plus notebook if 5 books is equal to 2700 and book minus notebook is equal to 428. Given 5 books is equal to 2700. We can write this as cost of 5 books is equal to 2700. Using this, we can find the value of book, that is 540. Now, substituting the value of book in book minus notebook, which is equal to 428, we can find the value of notebook, that is 112. Therefore, we can find the value of notebook plus book, that is 652. Mathematics question number 3. Monica's weight is less than 60 kg but more than 29 kg. If she gains 3 kg, her weight will be a multiple of 8. If she loses 4 kg, her weight will be a multiple of 7. Find Monica's weight. Given Monica's weight is less than 60 kg but more than 29 kg. So it should be a number between 60 and 29. So multiples of 8 that are between 29 and 60 are 32, 40, 48 and 56. Multiple of 7 that are in between these two numbers is 28, 35, 42, 49 and 56. Given if she gains 3 kg, her weight will be a multiple of 8. If we add 29 plus 3, it will be a multiple of 8, that is 32. Similarly, if we add 37 plus 3, it will be a multiple of 8, that is 40. And if she loses 4 kg, her weight will be a multiple of 7. If we subtract 4 from 32, we can get a multiple of 7, that is 28. If we subtract 4 from 39, we can get a multiple of 7, that is 35. Now in here, we can see that there is one number common, that is 53. So most likely this number would be Monica's weight. Mathematics question number 4. How many more squares must be shaded in the given figure to represent 3 by 4 as shaded fractions? Fraction of shaded square is equal to 11, that is number of shaded squares, by 24, that is the total number of squares. Now let us multiply the 3 by 4 with 6. We can get the denominator as 24, which represents total number of squares. Basically, we are converting it into equivalent fractions. Now we can subtract 18 by 24 minus 11 by 24, that is 7 by 24. So to get 3 by 4 as shaded fraction, we have to shade 7 more squares. Mathematics question number 5. If star plus triangle is equal to 2309, 5 star 2 is equal to 4365 and star 2 plus triangle is equal to 1927, then find the value of 5 star plus 2 triangles. Let this figure be S1, star be S2 and triangle be T. Given 5S1 is equal to 4365. Using this, we can find the value of 1S1, that is 873. Given S1 plus triangle is equal to 1927. Using the value that we found as S1, substituting it in this equation, we can find the value of triangle, that is 1054. Now, in order to find the value of star, we can substitute the value of triangle into star plus triangle, which is equal to 2309. So, therefore, S2 will be 1255. So, therefore, 5 star plus 2 triangles is equal to 5 into 1255 plus 2 into 1054, that is 8383. Mathematics question number 6. Find the perimeter of the shaded part of the given figure. Now, in order to find the perimeter, we have to count the number of sides in the given figure. So, there are 28 sides of 5 centimeters each, which are shaded. So perimeter is equal to 28 into 5, that is 140 centimeters. Mathematics question number 7. Consider the cost of some items given below and answer the following questions. Now first we'll write all the cost of items in Hindu-Arabic numerals. Cost of ruler is equal to 25, cost of books is equal to 80, and cost of paint plus is equal to 48, and cost of packet of crayons is 75. Now we can see that book is the costliest item and ruler is the cheapest item of all. Mathematics question number 8. On Wednesday, Akshaya spent 1,530 on laptop repair and 2,120 on buying clothes. On Thursday, he paid 5,760 for traveling. How much did he spend in these 2 days altogether? Total number of rupees Akshaya spent on laptop repair is equal to 1,530. Buying clothes is equal to 2,120. For traveling, 5,760. So adding them, we can find the total value of how much he spent. That is 9,410. Mathematics question number 9. Rashi said, I am adding 3 4-digit numbers. Which of the following options describes what Rashi should expect as her sum? A 3-digit sum because she is adding 3-digit number. No, she is adding 4-digit numbers, so it cannot be a 3-digit number. A 4-digit sum because she is adding 4-digit numbers. This can be true. She will get answer about 10,000. This also can be true. Either a 4 or 5-digit number because she may be adding numbers that could be as small as 1000 or as large as 9,999. If we add the small number 1000 3 times, we'll get 3000, a 4-digit number. If we add 9,999 3 times, we will get 29,997, a 5-digit number. So out of all the options, this option seems to suit the statement perfectly. Mathematics question number 10. Select the correct option. A1. 959 is not less than 804. So this is wrong. B. This Roman numerical value is equal to 448. Yes, this is true. The Roman numeral for the smallest 4-digit number is D. This is wrong because the smallest 4-digit number is 1000 and the Roman numeral for 1000 is M. Mathematics question number 11. What is the total weight of teddy bear and school bag? The weight of teddy bear is 300 grams. The main divisions are increased by 25 grams. So in between 2 main divisions, we have 5 small divisions. So value of each small division is equal to 5 grams. Therefore, weight of school bag will be 370 grams. So therefore, total weight of teddy bear and school bag is equal to 670 grams. Mathematics question number 12. How many lines of symmetry are there in the given figure? As we can see here, this figure does not possess vertical line of symmetry. This figure does not possess horizontal line of symmetry or diagonal lines of symmetry. So there are 0 lines of symmetry in the given figure. Mathematics question number 13. How many beads should be removed from the tens place and hundreds place rods respectively in the abacus shown if it has to represent number 28 tens less than the number shown in the abacus? First, the number shown in the abacus is 686. Now, 686 lesser than 28 tens is equal to 658. In order to represent 658 in the abacus, we must remove 3 beads from the tens place and 0 beads from the hundreds place. Mathematics question number 14. The total length of 7 different poles is 23 1/6 meters. The length of each of the first pole is 17 by 6 meters. The length of 7th pole is half of the length of 6th pole. What is the length of the 7th pole? Given total length of 7 different poles is 23 1/6 meters. Let length of 7th pole is L, then the length of 6th pole is equal to 2L. So length of first 5 poles plus length of 6th pole plus length of 7th pole is equal to 23 1/6 meters. 5 into 17 by 6 plus 2L plus L, which is equal to 23 1/6 meters. Simplifying this, 85 by 6 plus 3L is equal to 139 by 6 meters. So, therefore, 3L is equal to 54 by 6 meters. So, L is equal to 3 meters. Mathematics question number 15. The given bar graph shows the amount of time Navya spent doing various activities on Sunday. Study the given graph carefully and answer the following questions. How much more time did she spend on doing homework than jogging? Jogging is 30 minutes, while doing homework is 135 minutes. So 105 minutes she spent on doing homework than on jogging. Converting this into hours, we can get the value as 1 hour 45 minutes. If she spends 15 minutes more on practicing piano, then how much total time did she spend on practicing piano and jogging together? Total time she spent practicing piano and jogging is equal to 30 plus 45 plus 15, that is 75 minutes. That is 1 hour 30 minutes. Find the fraction of time spent by her on dancing to the time spent on doing homework. The fraction of time spent by her on dancing to the time spent on doing homework is equal to 45 by 135. That if we simplify, we'll get 1 by 3. Mathematics question number 18. Find the factors of sum of common factors of 18, 24 and 36. So first we have to find the factors of 18, 24 and 36. Then find the common factors of all these numbers and add them. Adding them will get a value. That value's factors we have to find. So, common factors of 18, 24 and 36 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So, sum of these common factors is equal to 12. Therefore, factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Mathematics question number 19. The capacity of the small container is 400 ml and the capacity of a big container is 1500 ml. If Sumit uses 9 small containers and 2 big containers of water to fill up an empty tank, then what is the capacity of the tank? Capacity of the tank is equal to 400 into 9 plus 1500 into 2. Therefore, it will be 6 liters 600 ml. Mathematics question number 20. How many of the following letters have parallel lines? As we can see here, almost all of the letters have parallel lines and there are more than 3 letters in the figure, so there are more than 3 parallel lines. Mathematics question number 21. Muket is 21 years old. Her father is thrice as old as she is. How old will she be when her father turns 70? Age of Mukti is equal to 21 years. Age of her father is equal to 3 into 21 years, that is 63 years. Her father changes to 70 after 7 years, which means age of Mukti is equal to 21 plus 7, that is 28 years. Mathematics question number 22. Pia started doing her homework at 15:44. She completed her homework at 20:12. How long did she take to complete her homework? Time she started doing her homework is equal to 15:44. Time she finished doing her homework is equal to 20:12. So now we're going to subtract 20:12 by 15:44. So as we can see here, the minutes is not enough to subtract. So we will borrow 1 hour from 20. So 1 hour consists of 60 minutes. So it will be 60 plus 12, that is 72. Now doing simple subtraction, we'll get 4 hours 28 minutes. Mathematics question number 23. Nirav has 3 bags P, Q and R having 40, 39 and 45 balls respectively, out of which he lost 10, 15 and 12 balls respectively. Find the fraction of number of balls left in bag Q to the number of balls left in bag P and bag R together. Number of balls in bag P is equal to 40 and number of balls in bag P after he lost 10 balls is equal to 30. Number of balls in bag Q is equal to 39. After he lost 15 balls is equal to 24. Number of balls in bag R is equal to 45. After losing 12 balls, it will be 33. So now the fraction of number of balls left in bag Q to the number of balls left in bag P and bag R together is equal to 8 by 21. Mathematics question number 28. Mr. Sharma's class is going on a field trip. In each of the 2 vans, there will be 7 children and 1 adult. In each of the 4 cars, there will be 4 children and 1 adult. How many people are going to the field trip? Number of people in 2 vans is equal to 2 into 8, that is 16. Number of people in 4 cars is equal to 4 into 5, that is 20. So total number of people in both cars and vans is equal to 36. Mathematics question number 25. If x is the greatest 5-digit number that can be formed using the digits 4, 2, 1 and 3, each digit at least once, then find the place value of the hundredths place digit of x. 5-digit number formed using the numbers is equal to 44,321, that is x. So hundredths place value is equal to 300. Mathematics question number 26. Which of the following are incorrect? First one, if we simplify it, we'll get 7.1. So this statement is wrong. Second one, 100 into 87 is equal to 8,700, which is true. Third one, 9 by 10 minus 9 by 100 is equal to 81 by 100. Yes, this is true. Fourth one, as we can see here, in one of the fractions numerators, there is 0. So 0 multiplied by any number is equal to 0 itself. So 7 cannot be the answer. So this is false. So now they have asked which is incorrect. So 1 and 4 are incorrect. Mathematics question number 27. Sania went to her friend's house at 9:45. She came back home in 180 minutes. If the given clock shows the time when she came back home, then which of the following options are correct? Time she went to play at her friend's house, 9:45 a.m. After 180 minutes, that is 3 hours, she came back at 12:45 p.m. But the time shown on the clock is 1:15 instead of 12:45 p.m. So the clock is 1:15 minus 12:45, that is 30 minutes fast. Mathematics question number 28. The given pictograph shows the number of bicycles sold by Manish during the 5 days of a week. Study the given graph carefully and answer the following questions. If each bicycle was sold at rupees 350, then find the total amount earned by Manish on Monday, Wednesday and Thursday altogether. Number of bicycles on Monday is equal to 60. Number of bicycles on Wednesday is equal to 40 and Thursday is equal to 50. Therefore, amount earned on Monday is equal to 21,000. Amount earned on Wednesday is equal to 14,000. Thursday is equal to 17,500. Adding them, we'll get 52,500. Mathematics question number 29. Compare and fill the box. First, we'll take the left hand side and we'll simplify it. Reducing it to lowest term, we can find the value, that is 6 by 5. Then on the right hand side, if we simplify it, the value will be 14 by 5. Therefore, we can say that 6 by 5 is less than 14 by 5. Mathematics question number 30. How many triangles are there in the given figure? We can either do this by simply counting all the triangles, or we can use another method. Here we can use the formula to find the number of triangles. Total number of triangles is equal to n plus 1 by 2, where n is the number of single triangle inside the first triangle. Here n is 3. So total number of triangles is equal to 3 into 3 plus 1 by 2, that is 6. Here we have one more upside down triangle, so totally 6 plus 6, that is 12 triangles. Achiever section question number 31. Identify the 4-digit number. Its 1000th place digit is the sum of its 10th place and 1st place digit. Since we don't know the 10th place and 1st place digit, we'll just leave it for now. Its 100th place digit is greatest 1-digit number. Greatest 1-digit number is 9. Its 10th place digit is not same as its 100th place digit. From this we can derive no value. If none of the digits of the above number are same, then what is the greatest possible 4-digit number it can be? As we can see here, we know one information, that is 100th place is 9. As we can see here in the A and B option, there is no 9 in the 100th place. But in the C and D option, there is 9 in the 100th place. So first we'll check the C option. Given 1000th place is a sum of 10s and 1's place. Yes, this is true because 7 plus 1 is equal to 8, which is in the 1000th place. Yes, its 10th place digit and its 100th place digit are different. So the answer is C option. Achiever section question number 32. The table shows the activities in which students at different schools can participate. If there are 3 times as many boys participating in chess as the number of boys in art, then answer the following questions. Number of boys participating in art is equal to 57. Number of boys participating in chess is equal to 3 into 57, that is 171. How many less participants were there in photography in total than the boys in chess? Number of participants in photography is equal to 105 plus 18, that is 123. So 48 less participants in photography than the number of boys in chess. If 24 more girls and 25 more boys were participated in art and photography respectively, then how many more girls than boys will participate in all activities? So subtracting, will get 63 more girls than boys were participating in all activities. Achiever section question number 33. If Q, R, S, T and T, U, V, X are rectangles, then P, Q, X, W and M, L, U, N are squares, then find the perimeter of the given figure. Over here, VXTU is a rectangle, QRST is a rectangle, and MLNU is a square, PQXW is a square. So a square has equal sides, so all of its sides are equal. So if one side is 4 centimeter, other side will also be 4 centimeter. Similarly, if one side is 13 centimeter, another side will also be 13 centimeter. So using this, we can find the value of XT. Since RS is 20 centimeter and QX is 13 centimeter, XT will be 7 centimeters. Similarly, since XT is 7 centimeters and LU is 4 centimeters, VL will be 3 centimeters. Now QR is equal to, since U to S is 25 centimeters and VW is 9 centimeters, PQ is 13 centimeters, then QR will be 3 centimeters. Now that we know all the sides, we can find the perimeter, that is 98 centimeters. Achiever section question number 34. Daksh took 35 minutes to travel from his house to a stadium to watch a football match. He reached the stadium 20 minutes before the match had started. If the match lasted 1 hour 45 minutes and ended at 21:30, then what time did Daksh leave his house? Total time taken by Daksh is equal to time taken for travel plus time she waited for match plus time match lasted, which is equal to 35 minutes plus 20 minutes plus 1 hour 45 minutes, that is 2 hours 40 minutes. Since match ended at 21:30, Daksh left the house at time is equal to match ended time minus total time taken by Daksh, that is 18:50. Achiever section question number 35. If mango plus apple is equal to 10, 13 by 15 and mango plus mango is equal to 12, 2 by 5, then find the value of mango plus apple plus apple. M plus A is equal to 10, 13 by 15 and 2M is equal to 12, 2 by 5. M plus A is equal to 163 by 15, that is equation 1. Equation 2, that is 2M is equal to 62 by 5. Then M is equal to 31 by 5. Substituting the value of M in equation 1, we can find the value of A, that is 70 by 15. So therefore M plus 2A is equal to 15, 8 by 15. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss out on a video that I upload. And I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.